In my heyday, young girls wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw all swore they knew me. Once upon a song, main attraction, couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities would die to meet. I've had every accolade bestowed on me, and so you see, if I never sing another song, it shouldn't. I've had my share of fame. You know my name. If I never sing another song.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday.
Sana ay bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para mapagsilbihan mo ang marami kaya karating po. Ikaw ay isa sa napakabilang na mga
doktor
mga masa na kadalasan ay ang narinig ko pag napupunta ako sa clinic ay salamat po doktor kasi isa na po kayo, wala akong trabaho. Sasabihin naman ako, yes, hindi walang problema naman. Nagtatrabaho ka na na, sabi na lang, magpapagin. So, sana ay pangalagaan mo ang sarili mo para sa susunod na taon, mayroon pa tayong celebration 71st birthday. Okay?
Kasama na rin yung happy wedding 40th anniversary.
Ay, mga pala.
Wow! Still wish you all the best and wish you many more birthdays to come.
Sige na, sige rin yun. Pangalagaan ang sarili.
Okay. Happy birthday again once again.
Okay, see you.
The bow, I would get by, but I'm not sure how. Always posing, but you love it.
Hi, Junior. Happy birthday. Sayang, konti lang naman yung pagtumahan natin, but thanks for everything so far. And I know your charitable work will be greatly appreciated by everybody. Alam ko yun. At least yun. Iingat ka, and alam ko yung masakit balakang mo. So, relax, okay? Relax. Sometimes, my sister's free. Yun, so, happy birthday, and I wish you the best. Okay, bye, love you.
To learn to act like you're above it all. Everything I did, the world applauded. Once upon a star. Frame
And go! How are you, Kuya? How young are you? I hope you're feeling fine. And I hope you have many more birthdays to come. I'd like to sing to you a song, but you might get angry. Ah, you know the song. Diana. Many more birthdays to come. Ha? Tama na. Enough.
There were times I felt the world belonged to me, and so you see, if I never sing at all.
Happy birthday, Putin! Ako si Doña Caray. Naalala mo yan ang tawagan natin nung bata tayo. Pero kuya, kahit na nung very strict yan sa amin. Sa amin, lalo na kami ni Ben. Ayaw niya magpa-party kami. Pero, na-realize ko, lalo ng dalaga na ako, protective siya. At saka, mahal niya kami. Hindi lang siya malambing. Pero, ngayon, siya ang godfather ng aming family. Yun ang kuya. At saka, matulungin siya sa mga pasyenteng walang pera na dinadala ko sa kanya, ginagamot niya na kahit walang bayad. Bibigay pa siya ng mga sample. Tsaka very loving siya sa kanyang mga apo, mga anak. Mapakasipag niya at devoted siya sa kanyang family. Kaya, happy birthday! Congratulations on your 70th birthday!
It shouldn't bother me. I've had my share